video accountability vlog number 1. $4:47 in the morning. What do we got? So October 27th, we've got 11 weeks until go time. Big day. I've been studying for about 2 weeks now. So strategy wise, content review first, and instead of just uselessly, mindlessly reading the books, I've decided to go through the MCAT Next Prep QBank. So I'll be solving, they have 5 levels of difficulty, and I've been solving the lowest right now. So like there's about 1,000 questions, the lowest across the 7 subjects. I've been alternating those every day, doing about 50 questions a day, and hopefully graduating in difficulty over time as we get closer to probably 8 weeks out, and then we'll just start doing full lengths and reviewing, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think a content-based model would be better than a time-based model, because I'm getting really lenient on time-based model. Like, I'll stop timing my Pomodoros and stuff like that, and even if I'm constantly working for the 2 hours a day that I want to aim for, my productivity is vastly different every day, how I feel and shit. So I think I'm gonna set some content-based markers to complete every day in terms of what I want to get done instead of time. But yeah, just pretty much wake up and bang out QBank questions all the time that I'm awake. Mornings definitely preferred after the afternoon. I just wake up as early as possible, depending on when I get to sleep, and just go at it for a few hours without even turning my phone on. Just especially with a coffee in the morning, or pretty right after it. What else can I talk about in this first one here? Yeah, I guess that's fine. Purpose of this vlog, I guess, maybe like a weekly occurrence, just to keep myself accountable, really. I don't care about what happens beyond that. But in terms of like a weekly check-in, a weekly progress report, I thought that would probably be necessary. Instead of just relying on my memory in terms of how I improve week to week. But so far so good. I feel pretty confident, except for physics. I've pretty much got every single physics question wrong. High school physics is not coming back to me so quickly. So there's gonna have to be a special case there to review that material, for sure. Besides that, see you in a week or so.